Greetings to you, wonderful people, great viewers, and wonderful subscribers. This is Rex here, welcoming you to Digital Money Magnets channel. Yeah, I'm here with another episode, and I want to thank all those who have subscribed to our channel.
May God in heaven bless and keep each and every one of you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create API and bind it to your LvBot. LvBot is a crypto trading bot which has an auto trade part. I've tested it and it's very nice. All we are praying is that it should sustain it and sustain its efficiency.
We've recently heard an upsurge of artificial intelligence and highly advanced automated technologies that we can use to prosecute some of our tradings, starting from IPCapital or IPCapital or Intelligence Prime Capital Bot. In fact, IPCapital is second to none. You can do well to check my video, check some of the videos I've done on IPC, including my trading result. I have 2 weeks trading result there in one of my 2 accounts. I have other ones. I have withdrawals. I have the presentation videos on it. I strongly believe you're going to be amazed by the result you're going to see, which is a result of the bot trading, and also on how the system generally works. Do yourself that very great favor and check out some of the videos on IPCapital down in this very channel. With that being said, let's now dive into how to create API and bind to your LvBot. LvBot has an auto trade part and a manual part.
You don't have to worry about signal, especially when the market is in deep or not too bullish. You just have to input the amount you want to use and trade, and the bot will select the coin pair that you want to trade on. It has its own strategy already embedded in it, and that is why it is very nice. Now, to create an API, most of you are already familiar with how to create API and bind, especially if you have used Royal Q, any of you, Royal Q, Bitcoin Pro, Matt AI bot, Prime bot, many of them, and recently DFC chain bot. Now let's go to more. As you come to Binance, we are using Binance. You can actually use this LvBot to trade up to is it 4 or 5 exchanges: Binance, Huobi, Hotbits, and Toko Crypto. Just go to this more, click on this more, and go down almost the last icon here. You see API management. Just click on it. You're gonna name it. You name it LvBot. If you create it, this is also the same procedure you use to create and bind every other bot or anything at all. We're gonna name it LvBot. This is LvBot. If you're creating an API for Bitcoin Pro, Royal Q, or any other bots, you still name it the same. You name it according to what you're creating. Now, after naming it, it will prompt you to do some kind of verification, phone verification, email verification, and Google Authenticator. If all these things have been linked to your Binance, some of you that didn't activate Google Authenticator, it wouldn't require it. It may just require only phone and email. Now go to your email and phone and retrieve the codes. Come and put it. Okay guys, haven't imputed all the necessary verification codes. You click submit. API key created. Did you see the pop-up there above? API key created. It might still, okay, if you come down like this now, if you don't know that you've created it, you now go here and start imputing another name, but there is no need. You have created it. This is for another one in case you want to create more. Come down like this. You want to see this? You see this small arrow? Click on it. You see the rest of the info. Okay, did you see it? Now you're going to first of all copy this, the second one, the secret key. Copy it, head to your bot and input it. Come back and copy this, because sometimes if you copy the first one, the API key first, before you could come back, this may have changed to star star star, and then you wouldn't know what is there. Now let's copy the second one, which is a secret key. Copy it, head over to your bot, head over to the bot. This is it, and I advise you open up all these things, like your message, open up your email, open up your Google Authenticator before doing all these things, because sometimes the app, the Binance app can be very funny. You have to keep doing it, going back and do it. Now if you come to your app, just click on profile, click on the profile, and it will show you where to bind the API from. You see binding API, click on it. You see different exchanges that you can use this to trade. You can actually use this bot to trade on 5 exchanges. You see it: Binance, Hotbit, Huobi, Indodax, and Toko Crypto. You click on Binance because we're actually dealing with Binance. We copied secret key and not the API key. Impute the secret key there, go back, copy the API key. This is the API key, the first one there. Just tap on it and copy it. Go there and impute it again. Okay, what are you going to do now? Just click on bind. Click on what? Bind. Success binding. Now it's successfully bounded, but you haven't finished. Go back to Binance or wherever you are creating it. Now what you're going to do, you need to tap on this. You need to empower the robot to trade spot and margin. This one is already ticked. Enable reading. So those are the 2 work the robot will be doing: to read the market data, read the history, the coin history, everything that has to do with the market. Read the history and analyze it, and then enable spot trading, spot and margin trading. Now, but if you click that box, you can check. It will not. Let's click it now. I'm clicking it. I'm clicking on the box now, but it's not checking. Why? Because there's something you haven't done. Come here and click edit. Click on that edit, then go down now and check the box. Did you see it now? That is all you have to do there. Don't click on withdrawal. The bot, you shouldn't empower the bot to withdraw your money from Binance. So you now come back here and click save. Click on that save. Permission expired. Forget about these ones talking about IP. So just click OK. Your API is now successfully created, but then you have to do the last lap of it, which is Google Authenticator verification. Now copy your Google Authenticator code and input there, and you are good to go. Okay, edit. No, it's okay. We are done. We are done with everything. Now, to know that your API is working, you should be able to see your balance on your exchange right from the app, just as it is here. Do well to subscribe to our channel, please, and God will bless you immensely. Thank you. Drop your comment, check the description for more info.